Expressions quiz actions. A test comprehension of common English expressions used to describe particular actions or behavior. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. My wife's doctor will keep me posted on her condition while I'm away. A. Post me the bills. B. Keep me informed. C. Email any updates. Keep me posted means letter B. Keep me informed. Number 2. Barry kills 2 birds with 1 stone by exercising while he's watching the news. A. Achieves 2 goals at the same time. B. Does 2 things with 1 action. C. Uses half the number of stones. Answer is letter A. Kills 2 birds with 1 stone means achieves 2 goals at the same time. Number 3. The vice president will hold the fort while the president oversees. A. Control the military. B. Take over temporarily. C. Overthrow the government. Answer is letter B. Hold the fort means take over temporarily. Number 4. Protesting peacefully is fine, but using violence is going too far. A. Unnecessary. B. Impossible. C. Unacceptable. Answer is going too far means unacceptable. Number 5. The exams are next week, so you had better start studying. A. Could. B. Have to. C. Should. Had better means should.